That's day 2, and 7:45, just broke camp, had some breakfast, cleaned my teeth, had a wet whitewash, and I'm ready to get on down the canal, head towards Reading, then Oxford. So I did 86 kilometres yesterday. Let's go for 100 today. I've lost a tent peg. I don't think I'm going to find it. I have had a good look. Bit of a bugger. It's a water bottle and a tent peg I've lost now. So I've got to find a bin, and then we'll get on. Camp next to the canal. Last night, nice good night's sleep. Right, let's do one. Right, we're on the canal again. Looks like these paths are a bit better today. Bit of pain in my knee last night, but I think it's just I was sleeping. Seems all right now. Chilly morning. It's going to be a cracking day, though, I think. Might get up into the 20s, it said, which for October's cracking, isn't it? Well, we've got a slight problem. There's trees falling down, so I'm going to have to take my bags off and hump it round there. Coming into a built-up area, hopefully we'll find a shop. The area, this is Newbury. First big town since Hungerford. We'll come to a dead end then, but no. Oh, lovely. Oh, that's a successful stop, fed and watered.
Well, yeah, we do.
Exiting Newbury now. Seems like a nice little place. So I just stopped, took a few layers off. It's getting a bit warm. 107 kilometres. Oh. So that's yeah, 20 so far. Stopped a few times. Eating plenty of food today because I want to keep going as long as I can. So still on the Kennet and Avon. Probably can't be more than 10 miles to the end of it now. Probably less. Not seen any signposts telling me how far since the one that said 20 miles to Reading, which I believe is where the canal is. So I'll stop and have a snack soon. Find somewhere nice in the sunshine. Towpaths are a lot better. A lot less mud. Nearly all gravel. To Reading. Sure where to go. Carry on down here. I'll get onto the Thames. Might have gone the wrong way. Let's see. This is Reading along the Kennet. It's packed in the summer, I'd have thought. Okay, we're on the mighty Thames now, so we're going to follow this river up to Oxford when we get on the canal. Hopefully get there today. Then yeah, it'll be one more day after that, I think. We'll see. It's about lunchtime now. Stop for some food in a minute. I suppose it all depends on how good these paths are. Hi. Not really at the moment, but the tree roots are broken through. Seems to be a common problem on the cycleways. I've come off the Thames. I'm following a route on Canute gravel track route. Going through wood at the moment. Should have to come onto a main road in a few metres. Something a bit different now. More of a mountain bike route than a gravel route though. Never mind. Shouldn't be on the canal, on the flat. A massive hill up off the Thames. I had to push it halfway up. Still a bit shaky from it.
550 metres. In 40 metres continue straight on High Street.
A good old Canute's doing its job. Getting me to Oxford. About 10 miles to go maybe. Pretty village. Some old houses there. Gonna have to have a rest in a minute. My backside's killing me.
650 metres.
So this is where Canute's taking me. Takes you down some pretty nice plains. Big lake to my left. Busy road to my right. I think the Oxford Canal. So I need to find somewhere to sleep now. At least for a few hours. Then cycle to the Midlands tomorrow.